Find the exact value of cosine of 55 degrees times cosine of 25 degrees plus sine of 55 degrees times the sine of 25 degrees. All right, so at first glance, maybe we can use a calculator for this, right? And we should be able to get an answer, of course. Okay, but we want to use an identity in order to simplify this, right? Remember, it says find exact value, not the decimal answer. All right, so what can we do here? Well, if you look at the sum and difference formulas for cosine, okay, we'll notice, okay, cosine times cosine plus sine times sine. Of course, the numbers do match, right? Well, there's this property here, right? Cosine of A times the cosine of B plus the sine of A times the sine of B. Okay? And in this course, of course, we see that A is going to be 55 degrees, okay, and that B is the 25 degrees. So what we're doing is just matching this up, right? Cosine of A times cosine of B plus the sine of A times the sine of B. Well, what is this formula though, right? This is actually, we call this the difference formula for cosine, right? So if you look at the formulas, right, this is just equal to the cosine of A minus B. Okay. But remember, in this case, A is 55 degrees, okay, and B is 25 degrees, right? So this will be 55 minus 25, right? So really, this whole thing right here, this is actually just equal to the cosine of 30 degrees. Okay? Well, wait a minute. I should know what the cosine of 30 degrees is, right? Okay, so of course you got your unit circle with you, right? The cosine of 30 degrees is actually just equal to radical 3 over 2. So what does that mean? It means that this whole thing right here, right, if you were to use a calculator, it would give you maybe the decimal form, right, of radical 3 over 2. Okay, once again, the whole point here is using one of these sum or difference formulas, right, to simplify this.